Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to turn on and custom text cursor indicator in Windows 11. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So in your desktop, you can go to your settings. I'm gonna search it, settings, and hit enter. And then in the setting page, you can go to your accessibility in the left side menu, and you will find text cursor. Click on it. And as you can see, this is your text cursor indicator preview. This is the preview, and you can just, turn it on. Just click this toggle, and it's on. And you can choose the color. So it may be yellow like this. This is the preview, and or pink. It's up to you. And also you can set up the size like this, maybe like this or like this. It's up to you, you know. And then you can also choose the text cursor thickness. So maybe you want to make it more thick, like this. Oops, like this. It's up to you. You see the thickness. I'm gonna make it like this. And then also, if you want to uh, change the cursor blink red, you can choose fast or none. It's up to you. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.